Good day, sir. My name is Remjasen M. Ablay, Section G2S. This is my title of report. Sailing direction. Sailing direction is a navigational guide provides detailed information about the specific area of water. They are crucial for safe and efficient passage planning. Here a breakdown of key aspects. So, content. Chart sailing direction complement nautical charts offering descriptive details not deletion on chart. This include information about navigational hazard, rocks, shoals, risks, currents, tides, etc. Coastal pictures transform landmarks, aids to navigation, atoms, etc. Ports and anchorages, details about port facilities, depth, and suitable anchoring location. Local regulation, traffic separation schemes, speed restriction, etc. Weather patterns, typically weather condition, potential hazard, etc. Format, they're typically published in volumes or section covering specific geographical areas, information, and organized logically, often by geographical location. Example, following a coastline, they are regularly updated reflect changes and navigation connection. Purpose. What is the purpose of the sailing direction? The purpose of the sailing direction is the primarily purpose in a safe navigation by providing comprehensive information to avoid hazard and make informed decision. Efficient planning. They help sailors plan efficient routes by understanding current condition, potential delays, and available resources. Emergency preparedness. Sailing direction often include relevant to emergency situations such as contact information for local authorities and emergency service. Used in navigational conjunction with other resources, sailing direction are most effectively used in conjunction with other navigational resources. Nautical charts. These provide a visual presentation of the waterways, depths, and hazard. And next, GPS. This provides precise positioning but doesn't offer the contextual information found in sailing direction. Weather forecasts. Current weather conditions are essential for safe navigation and decision making. Tide tables. They are crucial for navigating shallow water and entering leaving ports. Global and perspectives. While the structure of information in sailing direction are generally consistent globally, in the specific content will vary greatly depending on the region. For example, sailing direction for Philippines, Central Visayas region, Cebu region will detail the specific navigational hazard, ports, and local regulation relevant to that area. They will likely highlight the unique characteristics of the currents, tides, and weather patterns specific to the region. Global sailing direction might cover broadening geographical region but lack of granularly local detail. So when we talk about sailing direction, what's on your mind? Sailing direction is descriptive relative to the windward referred to the side of the boat or the direction from which the wind is blowing, while leeward is the opposite, the side of the boat or direction away from the wind. Sailing upward means sailing towards winds and sailing downward the winds. Manay pasabot na sa manay akong understanding sa sir sailing direction.